Dear children, let us talk about respiration in our body, that is, respiration in humans, in this video. We first need to know that respiration is both internal and external. Let us take them up one by one. What is external respiration? The taking in and giving out of air is called external respiration or breathing. Breathing consists of inhalation and exhalation. We are doing this all the time. Let us now see what is inhalation and what is exhalation. Taking in of air rich in oxygen is called inhalation. Giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation take place with the help of muscular diaphragm and rib cage. Before understanding what is muscular diaphragm and rib cage in our body, let us first see internal respiration. Internal respiration involves gaseous exchange between the bloodstream and tissues and cellular respiration. Internal respiration, it is the process of diffusing oxygen from the blood into the interstitial fluid and into the cells. We do not know what are interstitial fluids. Let us see what is an interstitial fluid. It is a fluid found in the spaces around cells. It helps bring oxygen and nutrients to the cells and removes waste products from them. However, external respiration refers to the process of exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs, gills, or other tissues exposed to the external environment. So, children, this slide is giving us the difference between internal and external respiration. Internal respiration involves gaseous exchange between bloodstream and tissues and cellular respiration. However, external respiration refers to exchange of gases in the lungs, gills, or other organs exposed to the external environment. This diagram of human respiratory system helps us to see rib cage and diaphragm. Rib cage is labeled here and diaphragm is labeled here. Let us see what is rib cage and diaphragm. A muscular partition which separates the chest cavity from the lower abdominal cavity is the diaphragm. So, this diaphragm is a muscular partition which is separating our chest from the abdomen, and the chest cavity is surrounded by the rib cage. So, this is a rib cage which consists of ribs. And children, vast majority of people are born with 12 pairs of ribs. Lungs are located in the chest cavity. Lungs have no muscles and their movement is controlled by rib cage and diaphragm. Now, children, we also need to know what is the breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes per minute is termed as the breathing rate. For calculating the breathing rate or for finding the breathing rate, we should know what one breath is. One breath is one inhalation plus one exhalation. Children, we should know that a child breathes faster than an adult at rest, and smaller animals have faster breathing rates than larger animals. This table, having columns of living organism and breathing rate, shows us that an adult has higher breathing rate after vigorous exercise and a newborn baby has higher breathing rate than adults at rest, and larger animals have smaller breathing rates than smaller animals. Children, in the next video we are going to do the mechanism of breathing.